Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Premiere Pro audio waveform not showing. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Premiere Pro and you just need to click on this banner icon and make sure show audio waveform is checked. In here, method 2, you just need to click on this edit option on the top and select preferences and select audio. Make sure automatic audio waveform generation is checked and click on OK and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to select the clip that you have problem and select sequence and select the render audio option. If this method doesn't fix your problem, method 4, you just need to select the audio from timeline and select a clip on the top and select generate audio waveform and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to select the window tab and select workspaces. On right side, you just need to select reset to saved layout. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.